Hi, Zach. Okay, so we are focused on the letter I, which makes two different sounds. The first sound for the letter I sounds like E, like in the word injection. The second sound for the letter I sounds like I, like in the word ice cream. So we'll just break down those words quickly into their basic sounds. I, N, J, E, K, shin. Injection. And then ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Let's go look at more words with both of those sounds. We'll start on this side where we have color coded the letter I in the light green color, and on this side it makes the E sound. I, N, J, E, K, shin. Injection. I, N, K, ink. I, G, L, U, igloo. I, N, T, R, N, E, T, internet. P, I, L, O, pillow. I, N, in. I, T, it. I, G, N, I, shin, ignition. And on this side, the letter I makes the I for ice cream sound. So number one, ice, ice. N, ice, nice. R, ice, rice. B, ice, bite. F, I-V, five. Br, I, t, bright. L, I, t, light. S, I, t, sight. So you will notice that when the letter I makes the I sound, which sounds like the name of the letter I, it usually has the smiley face effect because it's the letter I and the letter E making the long I sound together. And it will always be separated by another letter in between when it's in the smiley face format. But when it is making the I sound by itself, it is usually followed by a silent G and a silent H. Okay, so this sounds like I and this sounds like I. Okay, I hope that helps you understand the two different sounds for the letter I, E